Oh, hi. Hey, it's Terry. Do you know how to spy on the apps that are spying on you? Apple iOS 15 comes with new privacy options and more versatile FaceTime, among other features. Developers are pushing privacy features more and more lately, which is a good thing. Thanks to iOS 15 and iPad OS 15, both the iPhone and iPad offer more options to protect your personal information. Hey, not only that, but you can spy on those that are spying on you. A new iOS 15 and iPad OS 15 feature called Record App Activity allows iPhone and iPad users to learn what apps are doing to track their data over a certain period of time. With this feature, you get a summary of the access apps have regarding network resources and data. This includes when apps access certain types of user data such as photos, media, library, screen sharing, location, and contacts. When apps access your microphone and your camera, when apps connect and contact networks, domains, and how many times they access them. This includes websites you visit from within an app. You can use the summary to see how much access your apps have and take steps to change it if needed. The system keeps a record of your device over the last 7 days' app activity. You need to use an app long enough for the Record App Activity tool to thoroughly test the app's data, resource, and network accesses. You have to turn on the feature to get your summary reports, and here's how. You open up Settings, you go to Privacy, Record App Activity, and slide the toggle next to the Record App Activity to the right to enable the feature. You have to wait a few days for a report to be generated. Tapping Save App Activity will let you export the report as a JSON file, which takes a bit of technical knowledge to access and interpret. Hey, we hope these tips can help you. Thanks, Kim Commando. We've got your back here at Normal Gadgets. If there's anything that we can do to assist you with your iPads, your phones, your tablets, your laptops, your gaming systems, stop by our store. We're located at 802 South El Dorado in beautiful Bloomington, or hey, you can give us a call, 807-3333.